Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about a basic video on how to use Instagram. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for helpful web tutorials and solutions to your web problems. Let's move on. So this video is a basic video on how to use the Instagram, the new users mainly. First of all, you must log into your Instagram account, and after that, here is the first page of Instagram, which is the home page. You can also say the news feed over here. You can scroll and explore on the post made by the Instagram users that you follow. You can like the post by tapping on the button heart. Next, you can comment on the post by tapping on the comment icon, and you can also share this like this by tapping on the arrow button, and you can share it to your friends or Instagram followers and friends. And next, you can also save this post for later by tapping on this icon, and you can save it to your collection. So you can tap on the username of this Instagram user and visit their profile too. You can then explore their profile like this. So this is basically about the home page. Next, you can see at the bottom beside the home icon, you have the search icon. Tap on the search icon. You will discover a number of posts and videos of Instagram. You can scroll and look for interesting posts and videos that you might find. So here are the posts and videos of Instagram users you don't follow. At the top, you can see the search box, which is to search for some Instagram users, where you can enter a name and then tap on the profile. It will be opened on your screen, and you can search them. You can also follow them if you want to and explore their profile like this. You can go back again to the search button. You can see below the search box there are many fields to explore. For example, food, travel, science, movies, gaming. You can choose according to your interest, and then Instagram will show you the results accordingly. So this is about the search icon. Now beside the search icon at the bottom, you can see the plus sign. The plus sign will take you to the gallery, photo and video section. In the gallery section is all the photos and videos that include in your device. If you want to upload one of them, you can go to this gallery and then choose from here, and then you can edit this by tapping on the next button at the top right corner and then post it, upload it in your Instagram profile. You can also see at the bottom the photo button that will take you to the camera of your Instagram. You can directly capture a picture from here and upload it on your Instagram profile. You can also capture a video from here by pressing hold to record a video in this camera and then upload it directly in your profile of Instagram. So next is the activity page beside the plus sign, which will show you the activity of yours on Instagram. Here you can see the follow requests that you get from other Instagram users. You can also see how many people have started following you from how long time. You can also see the suggestion from Instagram to follow some people, and you will also be able to see your Instagram activities over here. And lastly, next, beside the activity button, you can see the profile icon. This is your profile page of Instagram. You can see your profile picture, and you can see your username and profile. After you post any photograph, you will see them over here in the profile section. You can also tap on edit profile to edit your profile informations, username and bio. By going to the edit profile button, you can edit your. Next, you can see the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. It will take you to discover a lot over here. You can see your old posted photos, your activities, your saved posts from others' profile. You can see your close friends and discover new people. And at the bottom is the settings button, which will help you to manage your Instagram settings. And finally, by coming to the home page, when you swipe to right, you can see This is the camera where you can capture something, okay, a photo or video, and you can upload it with effects and edits available on Instagram. This will be added to your Instagram profile as your story. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. It was a basic video on how to use Instagram. Thank you for watching this video, and do like this video and hit the bell icon to our channel. Subscribe to our channel as well, and if you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.